All right. Whew. Back out here with Selkirk Films. We got Banjo today. Back on the Bonnell. Whoa. We're gonna wrap you up. Get you all dialed in. I think the POV was a little high last time, so we'll try to adjust the camera and get you the best view, but we got Banjo with us today. And it should be fun. Practice a few wheelies. We're at 97%. Just started the ride. Let's see how long this battery lasts. Beautiful skies. Still learning, still getting my wheelies. I don't know what the best seat setting is. Kind of like it right about there. Ooh, I can smell the skunk. Someone got skunked. All right. Nice zone for Banjo. I'm going to try start it off with a little hill climb. Here it is. Oh my goodness, that is insane. Yes, taking me right up. Wow. That was so fun. Okay, I'll turn it down on the way down. Again, this is some pretty dang steep stuff. Okay. I see you. Something I gotta get used to here. Some of these jumps. There's a good one. I don't think I'm right. How's it going? Good. What a beautiful day. Oh, he's fine. Oh, you're good. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, Banjo, buddy boy. Come on, let's go, Banjo. Oh, I love this thing. So many good trails. Let's try that one out. Let's try it out. Try out some new ones. He's caught up, man. Just up to speed. Gotta head into the trail. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Check it out, let's go up to the lookout. Pretty gorgeous. All right. Let's find the dog. Banjo. Banjo. Come on, buddy. Let's go. And this is where we all gotta wait for Banjo. Ho ho ho! Good boy! It is all up. Pretty heavy uphill. All right, Banjo, what do you think? Up or down? Ooh, up and hook right? Okay, let's do it. Nice and quiet. A dusted Banjo. %83 so far. Let's see what else we got. 156 miles. I kind of like this setting the best. I gotta slow down for Banjo. Okay, that's where we're gonna stop you.